Trust me, there are many ways to make money online, but in this video, I'll be focusing on 5 of the best methods to crush it online. Making money online is one of the easiest ways to make money today. Welcome to Joseph Sian's channel. Here I teach proven strategies to make money online. If you are new, I humbly invite you to subscribe to my channel. Please do well to turn on the notifications so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Without wasting much of your precious time, let's jump straight to the topic of the day. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to 5 best ways to make money online. This will help you to avoid a pit that a lot of people fall in when looking for ways to make money online. Secondly, this video will help you to choose the best method that will resonate with you well. Lastly, this video will help you to turn your financial wish into a reality. Get in touch with me should you need any support, and I will be glad to help you out. 1. How to make money online via Forex trading. Forex trading is one of the best ways to make money online. The question I know you'll be asking is, how do I make money from Forex trading? Simply, we make money in 2 easy steps. Number 1, you buy a currency at a low price, for instance, at $50. Number 2, when the currency that you bought goes up in value, example at $70, you sell it and make a profit of $20. 5 reasons to start your Forex journey today. Number 1, you have nothing to do with content creation. Example, writing of articles or creation of videos and getting traffic. Number 2, you don't have to struggle to get customers. In Forex trading, there are always customers to sell to and make profits. Number 3, Forex can be traded from any part of this world. All you need is your PC, laptop, tablet, or mobile phone with internet connection. Number 4, just like in any real business, a capital is required to start. But the good news is that in Forex trading, you can start with a small amount of money. For example, you can start with $100 and grow it over time. The fact is, growing a small amount can be painfully slow when you are lacking in funds. Get in touch with me and I will help you get an instant funding up to $50,000. Get access to the capital you need to generate income and work towards financial success. I will leave a link in the description below. Number 5, last but not the least, the profit potential in Forex trading is unlimited. Ready to start your Forex trading journey today? Learn how to trade Forex like a pro. The ultimate Forex trading course has got you covered. Learn everything you need to know to start trading Forex and make the money you so desire. Get in touch with me today to get 100% scholarship code to enroll in the course for free. The course costs $90, but if you enroll today, I will pay 100% for you. What are you waiting for? This opportunity is for a limited time only. Link to the 100% scholarship code is in the description below. Number 2, how to make money online via cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency might be the hottest thing to hit the internet since the invention of the pizza cracker. The cryptocurrency market is growing rapidly and has a lot of potentials. This video might be an eye-opener. You can make some serious cash online using cryptocurrency as your main tool. 3 benefits of investing in cryptocurrency. Number 1, high profit potential. Every day, new people are becoming aware of the benefit of digital currencies, and this leads to an increase in demand. This increase in demand, in turn, leads to an increase in the value of the digital currency. As more people join the markets, the cryptocurrency becomes more profitable. Number 2, ability to go long or short. One huge benefit of trading cryptocurrency is that you can trade it on both the long and the short sides. You can make profit in some few minutes or months. Number 3, good market hours. Since the cryptocurrency market is open 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, you can trade anytime you so wish. Do you know some people are making as high as 700k a year from cryptocurrency? I will leave a link in the description below. You can click on the link to learn how these people are doing it and how you can copy their strategy. Number 3, how to make money online from YouTube. YouTube is a free platform, and with the right strategy, you can turn it into an income generating machine. However, it is not a simple task, as there are several hurdles to cross before your channel gets monetized. 2 of these challenges are: number 1, you will need 1,000 subscribers. Number 2, 4,000 hours watch time. If you need strategies to get these 4,000 hours watch time faster, watch this video. Get more time on YouTube, reach 4,000 hours faster. I will leave a link in the description below. Do you know that you can make 360k a year from YouTube? Check out how a 19-year-old Matt Parr runs 9 different profitable YouTube channels and makes 6 figures from them. If you really want to learn how to make money from YouTube, this young man is one of the best teachers. He can help you achieve your YouTube dreams. Attend Matt Parr's free webinar today. There is a link in the description below. Number 4, how to make 203k in 1 year blogging. Blogging has become a popular side business for a lot of people. According to a survey in the United States, about 15% of the population does some form of blogging as a side job. Blogging is not a new thing. It's been around for years now. Blogging has become a great way to make money online. With the internet being such as big medium and people getting more used to making money online, blogging is here to stay and will continue to grow. This article from Forbes gives you 25 ways to make money from your blog. If you really want to be a successful blogger, this article is a must read for you. The link is in the description below. Also, this article from a 6-figure blogger, Adam Enfroy, will give you every secret you need to blog like a pro and make 203k in a year. I will also leave that link in the description below. Last but not the least, this video from Sophia Lee carries some gems that will skyrocket your blogging business. Make sure to watch this video as well. The link to this classic blogging video is in the description below. It is also free to watch. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to make money on the internet. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. If you want an easy way to make money on the internet, then your first choice might be affiliate marketing. The problem with many unsuccessful affiliate marketers is that they don't learn. If you want to be a successful affiliate marketer, you need to learn a lot. A good resource like Affiliate Marketing 101, How to Become a Pro at It, makes affiliate marketing easy to start. This resource starts from the basics and takes you through an in-depth approach to affiliate marketing. If you access this resource and you don't start right away, then affiliate marketing is not for you. In Affiliate Marketing 101, How to Become a Pro at It, you will find stuff like: A. What is affiliate marketing? B. How affiliate marketers get paid. C. Some affiliate networks and affiliate programs. D. Strategies to scale up your affiliate marketing business, and a lot more. Link to this awesome affiliate marketing resource is also in the description below. Take advantage of this resource right away and start generating revenue from your affiliate marketing business. This video series from Hassan Abul Hassan, founder of Age Educate, will help you to take your affiliate business to another level. Make sure to watch all the series about affiliate marketing. The link to these classic resources is in the description below. Hassan is one of my business mentors. He is a serious digital marketer. 1. His website www.ageeducate.com receives over 271k monthly visits as at the time I am creating this video. Also, he has 636k subscribers on YouTube, Age Educate, as at the time I am creating this video. I highly recommend you to watch his videos if you want to be successful online. I dedicate this video to you, sir, Hassan Abul Hassan. Much love from the Defiance family to you. It is no secret that the ability to make money online is something that is sought after by many. It can be easy to fall victim into scams or cons when looking for ways to make money online. But with some good research and a little persistence, there are legitimate ways to make money online. In this video, I shared with you 5 sure ways to make money online. Number 1, Forex trading. Number 2, cryptocurrency. Number 3, YouTube channel. Number 4, blogging. And number 5, affiliate marketing. Comment below and let me know which method you want to start first. Also, should you need any help in any of the aforementioned methods, don't hesitate to reach out to me and I will be glad to assist you. Thank you very much for making time to watch this video. I love you so much. Until the next video, stay blessed.